What's up, guys? In today's video, we are in North Dakota chasing roosters, sharpies, and huns. Late season. It was the worst weather I've ever hunted in. I rarely will not go because of weather. If I lived in North Dakota, there's no way Chase would have got me out of bed this morning to go hunting. Wind was blowing 50 miles an hour, blizzard warnings all across the western half of the state. Not the most fun conditions, but a very fun hunt. Hope you enjoy.
You probably can't hear me because it's 60-mile-an-hour winds.
Everybody says that pheasant hunting weather is better in the snow, so I want to show you what we're driving into. Does this look like pheasant hunting weather to you?
Up there, dang it. Good girl, Jade. Pheasant. Good girl. They're hens. Hey, she's pointed 160. Hen. Holy cow. Zeke had that one pointed too. Thought you were birdie. Ready? Good girl. You were birdie. Good job. Another hen. Hen. He got down so fast I could see him. Yeah, we coming through. Golly, how am I hitting them? My two great shots, and I'm not connected once. I am not doing well. My first North Dakota rooster. I did not think I hit him, but I guess he dove in them trees. I was laying there ready, picked him up for me. So I know it's windy, but we're on the board. Hen, hen, hen. Good boy. Good boy, Zeke. Got a point in there. Hey. Rooster.
Really?
I got one.
Yeah. You got it.
Hen.
Hey, Zeke, held that forever.
Zeke's pointing up here. Let's go, dude. Hurry up.
Hey,
Too far. Rooster. I got him. Good boy, Zeker. He's gone. Ready, ready. Oh, oh, ow. Oh no. Hen. Good girl, ready? All right, we just got to North Dakota. The wind is blowing 40 miles an hour with gusts up to 50. I think it's 25 to 35 with gusts to 50. It's not that cold, but it's snowing, and we got 2 roosters. So now we're gonna go try another spot. Seems like they're in the trees. Thermal cover, the experts would say. So we're gonna look for some more of that. Try it again. All right, new piece of ground. Walk number 2. Yeah, well, yeah, 2. Go find us a rooster, maybe a Sharpie. Saw some hunch on the road, so we're hoping we can find some of those as well. We're gonna go freeze. Let's go get them, girl. Right there, rooster! Dang it! I should have killed him. Good dogs. They didn't go down. Yeah, Sharpies! He just doubled on Sharpies. Good job! Hopefully, my shot cam got that. We found a pile of birds, and we got some points, but also just, you know, typical windy as all get out, late season Sharpies and pheasants, wild flushes, and just killed a pair of Sharpies, so we'll go find them. Good boy, fetch him up, Leo, here. Good boy, here, hey. Good boy. Get the other one. First Sharpie in several years for me. Fun birds. Leo got the other one. Yes, sir. Hopefully I got that on shot cam for you guys. Leo, here! Leo, here. Good boy. Good boy, yeah. Big one. Little Sharpie. Yes, sir. 2 Sharpies. Betsy's down somewhere, you see her? 49. Betsy's down right here. Yeah. Yours not gone? Mine look okay? Let me go around. Let's go. There it goes. Hen. Good girl, Betsy. Oh, hen, dang it. Oh, hen. Gosh. Good girl, Bets. Leo's pointing right here, Chase. They both pointed right here. Follow Betsy. See Leo trailing. Trying to trail. Dang it.
I was literally pulling out my phone to do a video for you guys and show you how much the wind is blowing. And the rooster got up behind me, and I got him. So let's go pick him up, and then we'll talk some about this crazy North Dakota weather. Leo, here! Dead, 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 dead. Come on, Leo, here, dead bird. Hunt dead. Hunt dead, bud, hunt dead. I think you got him right there. Come out of there with a rooster, please. No? Yeah, he does. Look at him pointing. Get ready, get he gets out of here alive. Oh, pointing. I'm ready. Okay, Leo. He's in there. He's trying to get him.
Good boy. Oh.
There.
Yeah, you got him.
You're gonna get him. They're big.
Good boy, Leo.
You got him?
Yeah.
Yes,
Good job, buddy.
Well, they're tough.
Yeah. Good boy. Yep. Good job, buddy. Yep. Good job, buddy. Hold on, Chase a second. You probably can't hear me because it's 60-mile-an-hour winds.
Wind's blowing harder, more snow is falling. I need one more pheasant. Gavin needs 2 more pheasant and 1 more Sharpie. I need 3 Sharpies, and we've not got a hunt yet either. We've seen some, haven't got any. So we're gonna go back out, brave the cold, quick walk, come back in, warm our tootsies, and then go back out and do it again. Good girl, Betsy. Where's the rooster? Kevin! Dadgummit. Well, I should have split up. I told you to come over here! Good girl, Bets. Gosh. I don't know, probably behind him. Betsy pointed like a champ. Of course, he went the wrong way. Oh, that was everything you wanted. Good dog. Be a rooster. Running little boogers. Why it took me 3 shots, I don't know, but I'm glad I got him. Good girl, Betsy. Ooh, that was almost bad.
right, I don't know if you can hear me, but finished up my first day in North Dakota in a blizzard with a limit of roosters. So it was an awesome day. I'm cold. I'm gonna go talk to Gavin, brag a little bit, and then try to help him get 2 more. So a really fun day, awesome experience. The limit man, first day in No Duck. Limits. I haven't shot a wild rooster in
Long, that's a nice one too.
probably 2019. So 5 years in the making. It was fun. Beautiful bird, my favorite. One of my favorites. I say my favorite, whichever one I'm hunting is my favorite, but they just, the feathers are unbelievable. Right this moment down in the history of Western Wings, I'm going to get Gavin because I've already killed my limit of pheasant. It was all luck, but I want you to cherish this moment with me as I am now the chauffeur, because Gavin so graciously let me go by myself today once, and I got my last pheasant. So this is weird. Let's enjoy it. Dead. Dead, Leo.
It worked.
That was a fun one.
Yeah, that was good.
Leo did a good job tracking him down for me. When we started hunting, I wasn't sure it was going to be worth the headache, the cold. I'm still a little bit frostbitten a few days later. Freezing. It worked out. Chase made me go. I'm glad he did. Thanks for watching.